I gotta pay attention to the road and not the damn cameras or I'm gonna kill myself. Yeah. Now, throw the dice. Heading straight into the sun. Thank God I got a tinted screen on. Sundown this time of year is about 4:30 in the afternoon. By 5 p.m. it's pitch black. Wonder how the people in Alaska do it. Anyway, 75 mile an hour cruise. This is about the most wind noise I'm going to get. It almost seems this bike quiets down after about 75 instead of getting louder. So we'll see how that theory works. I gotta get in front of this shit sucker truck and then I'm gonna slow down a little because I'll end up with a $1,000 speeding ticket and 1,000,000 points. Lucky me.